Hello, fellow car lovers of Canada. Here are 10 quick maintenance tips to keep your car in top shape. Ready? Let's go. Tip number 1, do regular oil checks and changes. Oil is your car's lifeblood. Aim to change every 5,000 to 7,000 kilometers. 2, keep an eye on your fluid levels. Regularly check your brake, power steering, transmission fluid, and coolant. 3, maintain tire health. Keep them inflated and to the recommended level and check thread depth for safety. 4, brake care is crucial. Never ignore squeaking brakes or a wobble when stopping. Regular inspections save future costs. 5, make sure you check your battery. Avoid getting stranded, check for corrosion, and ensure your battery is secure. 6, windshield wipers. Visibility is key. Replace wipers every 6 to 12 months for a clear view. 7, conduct regular filter replacements. Air, oil, fuel, and cabin filters need regular checks and replacements to keep contaminants at bay. 8, keep it clean. Wash and wax, not just for looks, it protects your paint and car from rust. 9, inspect belts and hoses. Inspect for cracks or wears. These are vital for your vehicle's power steering and cooling system. And last but not least, check spark plugs. Ensure engine efficiency. Replace spark plugs if you notice slow acceleration or starting issues. Follow these tips to keep your ride smooth. Want to learn more? Visit our article for detailed advice and more at mychoice.ca. Take care.